Hey everyone, welcome back to Clue Writers channel, where we help you level up your academic game. Today, we're talking about something super important, how to structure an essay for top grades. If you want to stand out and impress your professors, this is the video for you. Let's dive right in. So, what's the secret to writing essays that get top grades? It's all about having a strong structure. Let me show you how to break it down in just a few steps. Step 1. Introduction. Hook, context, and thesis. Start with a hook that grabs attention. Something like a quote, fact, or question that draws your reader in. Then, provide some background on your topic and finish with a clear, strong thesis statement. Your thesis is the argument you'll be proving in your essay. Think of it as the roadmap for your entire paper. Step 2. Body paragraphs. One point at a time. Each body paragraph should focus on a single point that supports your thesis. Start with a clear topic sentence, back it up with evidence like research or examples, and then explain how it proves your argument. Always make sure to link everything back to your thesis. That keeps your essay focused and easy to follow. Step 3. Transitions. Use transitions between paragraphs to guide your reader. Words like furthermore, however, and consequently help your essay flow smoothly. Step 4. Conclusion. Summarize and reflect. Finally, wrap things up with a strong conclusion. Restate your thesis in a new way, summarize your key points, and leave your reader with a final thought. It could be a reflection on the topic or a call to action. Keep it concise but impactful. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to structure your essay for top grades. If you're struggling to write essays, case studies, or nursing term papers, don't worry. Visit cluewriters.com. We're here to help you with all your assignments. Get professional support so you can focus on your studies and succeed. Click the link below and get started today. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on crushing your assignments.